Alright, we started a little bit late here as per usual with these videos, but my EGR valve, hopefully, it might not be the EGR, it might be the idle air control valve, and causing the car to idle really rough. So, picked up a nice little Duralast part down there this morning, 6 o'clock in the morning, got everything going, all the tools. Gonna Chris fix this, hopefully, out with the old, in with the new right there, nice and shiny. And yeah, let's see what happens. I already took this off, took the engine cover off, took the little cover that goes over the fuel rail over here and everything, but yeah, we're just gonna go for it now. So I'm gonna get this out of here and see what happens. And this is a solo video, so just me, no one else holding the camera, so it's gonna be a little intermittent. All right, so thanks to the help of my impact drill and some other sockets, got the old one out. It's not looking great. I'm confident that this is probably the fix. So there's the old, let's get into with the new. And here's the comparison. We got all dirty, filthy, rusty perks of living by the water here. And this is the new one with everything nice and clean till it goes in this car, which is 21 years old. So hopefully this is it. I'm gonna try and one-hand this. Let's get that in there. Wrong way. Trust me, I know what I'm doing. I'm an engineer. Oh, I probably hear so much breathing right now and wind and everything. All right, well, that's on there. Now we just gotta bolt it in. There's two 12 mils, and they're right down here, and they're all nice and rusty. I cannot wait to use some of these wipes. So, audio cut out at this point. However, repair went fine. It was about 20 minutes from start to finish. Not the problem I had to fix. In fact, I'm going to throw up a clip now that shows exactly what was going wrong. And it was, in fact, the idle air control valve, not the EGR, which, a little unfortunate that I woke up early to get this repaired done, even though that wasn't what the problem ended up being. But once that did get done, everything was fine. And I was getting, honestly, very good readouts from both the EGR and the idle air control valve. So, no complaints there. Hopefully we get to do some more in-depth repair videos. Obviously that did not happen now. I mean, not a lot, but you know, hopefully you guys enjoyed this. And if you did, leave a comment, leave a like, let us know what you think. And yeah, we're gonna hopefully get some more stuff out. But yeah, thanks for watching.